SS School of Design is India's first Indo-UK collaborative design school based out of in Calcutta, which focuses entirely on sustainability as its core ethos in the design curriculum. It's the first school which has been started by designers from India and UK. So in 2018, we collaborated with iLead to offer undergraduate and postgraduate degrees for fashion design and interior design under McGill University. Our international partners also include University for the Creative Arts London, Arts University Bournemouth UK, Ethical Fashion Forum, which is our academic partner based out of in London, and also we work with Le Group, which is an Indo-French collaborative project. They work with a lot of international designers in France, London and New York. The entire course is designed to bridge the gap between the changing needs in the fashion industry globally and also the skills needed for the industry. The course is focused on sustainable practices in the design industry as its core ethos, also looking into ethical sourcing, production, fair wage, fair trade, and of course keeping the international design sensibility in mind. So students here at SS School of Design at iLead are taught by industry professional, experts and designers both nationally and internationally. In the past we had faculties and visiting guests from London, from Paris, from New York, from Australia, which really gives international exposure to our students. Working with international people really opens up their mind. In the past, we also had a research student from SMOD Berlin who did a research with Peace Silk with SS School of Design, alongside working with the students and also taking modules on sustainable packaging and how to produce it internationally. We also had British Deputy High Commissioner Mr. Bruce Bucknell taking an interactive session with our student on global communication and image. So SS is also proud to announce that in 2019-20, our international advisory board includes Bibi Russell, the international designer from Bangladesh. We have the Crown Prince of Rajpipla, Gujarat, Mr. Manavendra Singh Gohil on our advisory board, who is also the founder of Lakshya Trust and Hanumanteshwar fashion label based out of New York. We have a sustainable fashion label Doodleage represented by Kriti Tula on our advisory board. We have Sumiran Kabir Sharma, a creative founder of Anam, the sustainable fashion label showcased at Lakme on our advisory board, along with Mr. George Andrea Sur, the co-founder of Cocoon based out of Berlin on our advisory board, which really gives us an international exposure and the insight to always create something new in the design curriculum. Our interior design alumni, Mr. Brahm, who is from Paris, has started his own company in Mysore and is working with Indian and French architects. Our students go on to work with Lakme Fashion Week designers and big companies, which really speaks about the quality and the standardization of our courses. We welcome students to SS School of Design at iLead to explore our international design programs to gain industry exposure, knowledge and practical skills to really succeed in the chosen field of fashion and interior design and make a fabulous career ahead.